Thanks for joining us tonight. There were no statewide races on the ballot today, but there were some significant local races.
None bigger than the race for Madison mayor. We started the day with 6 candidates, and now we are down to 2. We have team coverage tonight of this race. Keely Arthur is at Mayor Paul Soglin's event, and Amy Reed is at Rhodes-Conway's party. Let's start with Keely at Laurel's Tavern on Monroe Street. Keely?
Well, it's kind of a big turn of events for a man who said he wasn't even going to run, but he, of course, changed his mind following a failed run for governor, and at the encouragement of supporters who wanted him to add 4 more years to his 22 years in office here. Now, Soglin was at the Laurel Tavern earlier tonight. He made some remarks saying that he wants to focus on more affordable housing, eliminate racial disparities, especially in regards to economic issues, and get more Madisonians health insurance coverage.
We cannot go backwards. We have to look forward. We have to look to a growing community. We have to look to a growing diverse community, and we have to address the kinds of challenges in regards to job opportunity, in regards to housing.
Those critical of Soglin say he has not played nice with the city council or the county. If elected, Soglin tells us he is interested in finally making the Madison public market a reality. Also of note, when Soglin originally wasn't going to run, he actually endorsed Satya Rhodes-Conway, calling her, quote, eminently qualified. He will now have to face off against her in April. And speaking of Rhodes-Conway, that's where our Amy Reed joins us live right now.
Yeah, thank you, Keely. It is, though the crowd is dwindling out here, they're still very excited. The reality has set in. Their candidate, Satya Rhodes-Conway, has made it past the primary and will face Soglin in April. Now, Rhodes-Conway addressed this crowd here just about 40 minutes ago. She gave a big list of thank yous, but said there's still a lot of work to go, but she believes she has a real chance. She told reporters here that even people that voted for Shukla or for Cheeks still had her in mind as their second choice. And like Keely just told you, back when Soglin wasn't going to run for mayor, he endorsed it. They're very excited. I hope you guys can still hear me back there. But she said that she's not going to focus right now on Soglin and his previous almost endorsement for her. Instead, she's looking at the future.
When I announced, I didn't know what the mayor was doing, and I didn't, my race is not about anybody else. My race is about wanting to bring change to the city of Madison and focus on the issues that are important: affordable housing, rapid transit, dealing with racial disparities, and being prepared for climate change.
Why would someone pick you over Soglin? People here say they want change, which is why they went for Rhodes-Conway in the first place. And her job now also gives her unique training. Were she to win in April, she's currently the managing director for the Mayor's Innovation Project, which works with mayors all over the country to help implement policy. She also previously served 6 terms as an alder for Madison on the north side. The challenges she looks toward April is to now appeal to voters in other districts like the west side. Precinct by precinct data seems to indicate tonight that that's where she might have fallen behind. Back to you.
Amy Reed and Keely Arthur live tonight. Thank you both.
Tonight.